In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. Now, this problem happens when you are trying to register a WhatsApp on a new device, and it normally happens especially if the WhatsApp has been hacked. So normally when a hacker hacks your WhatsApp and put a two-factor authentication code on it, when you try to register your number on and back to your WhatsApp, you will see this particular error message. So what you need to do is this. There are so many ways you can solve it. One of it is that you have to uninstall your WhatsApp app and try installing it again. If you do that and it still doesn't work, then you have to clear the cache in your WhatsApp app. So you go to your WhatsApp settings and then clear the cache. When you go to your WhatsApp settings and clear the cache and it still doesn't work, then try restarting the phone and make sure you have stable internet connection. That is the third step you should do. If you do that and it still doesn't work, okay, so you still get the same error message. Click on OK and click on the three dots here. You will see help and support. So you click on help and support, then it will open to this particular screen where you can contact support. So you describe your problem and add a screenshot of whatever you are facing. So you can describe something like, hello, WhatsApp. I'm trying to register my number on my WhatsApp, and it is telling me we couldn't send an SMS to your WhatsApp or to your number. I should wait for an hour, and I've done this several times and it's still the same. So please help me resolve this problem. So when you write that, you describe that, you add a screenshot, you click on the next, it will bring you to this screen where it will ask you to choose whether this one of these questions fit your whatever problem you have. Then you click on this doesn't answer my question. Then it will bring you and ask you to send an email. So you click on the email, then it will open like this. Then you send whatever your problem is, you send it. Then they will reply you by telling you probably that you have tried getting the code so many times, or you have tried registering your number so many times. So that is why you're having that problem. So you can reply to them, whatever. You can reply to them by saying that it is your number and you're the one who actually owns the number, and then you haven't really tried registering it on many devices. That is just the number you've tried registering it on. They should fix that problem and then help you have access to your WhatsApp again. So probably when you reply them, in fact, at the first attempt, they may even solve the problem. So when you try to register and it's still the same problem, so that is where you will now reply the email and tell them that you tried again and you didn't get a solution. They may try it again. Then you finally, when you try to register, you see that the option will come for you to resend the code. Then when you click on resend code, you will get the code will be sent. Or sometimes you can even use the call me option. Then they will call you. Or you click on resend SMS or click on call me, they will resend the SMS. Then you'll be able to open. So in some cases, you may open and then it tells you that your WhatsApp, you should put this account is protected by two-step verification. You should put a WhatsApp PIN. So what you should do is to click on forgot PIN. If your account is protected by two-step verification, that is, if the hacker hacks your account and has put a two-step verification PIN there and you don't have access to the email, when you click on forgot PIN, they will ask you to send a reset PIN to your email. And normally, if it is hacked, the hacker will put his or her email there, so you won't have the email. So you just it will ask you that if you don't have access to the email, you can wait. After 7 days, automatically they will remove the two-step verification and you can reset it and then use your WhatsApp again. So this is exactly what you need to follow. If you follow this process, you get your two-step verification. You'll be able to get the PIN sent to your WhatsApp for you to register your WhatsApp. And if there is the what we call a two-step verification, as I told you, if you click on the forgot PIN and wait for 7 days, it will open it for you and you will have access to your WhatsApp again. Thank you for watching. If you follow this procedure and you didn't get a solution, leave your comment in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link in the description to WhatsApp us, and we will help you get a solution to your problem. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.